See you in the next cozy recipe. I want to inspire you to cook with intention. Welcome back to our peaceful countryside kitchen. Finding joy in these quiet kitchen moments. There is nothing quite like cooking with what the earth provides. Turning humble ingredients into poetry. We always have a surplus of summer squash. Today, we are using up some leftover dumpling wrappers. Let us give these wrappers a delicious purpose. To create a beautiful garden vegetable harvest meal. We are transforming them into a steaming basket of love. No complicated flour mixing today. No dough kneading required at all. This is completely beginner-friendly. Perfect for a slow morning breakfast or a cozy lunch. Packed with incredible vitamins. Clean and utterly comforting. Everyone at the farmhouse absolutely loves these. Let us start with fresh summer squash from the garden. Many people struggle with squash fillings because it releases too much water and turns mushy. Follow my steps, and your dumplings will be perfect every time. Scrub away the fine garden dust. Make sure you wash them gently under cold water. All the beautiful antioxidants are right in the skin, so please leave the skin on. Slice off both ends of the squash. The stems can be quite tough. Discard the woody stems and contain fibrous textures, which takes away from that delicate bite. We want these to be easy to digest. Slice the squash into thin, even rounds. Summer squash is truly a healing superfood. It is deeply hydrating, very low in calories, and loaded with natural vitamin C. It provides essential dietary fiber, which beautifully supports your gut health and helps naturally detoxify the body, aiding your natural digestion. It is known to reduce inflammation too. Adding this to your weekly menu is a gift to your body. It feels light but incredibly nourishing. Now stack the slices and cut them into fine strips. Toss them with 1 teaspoon of sea salt and let them sit. This draws out the excess liquid and any bitter notes, creating the most satisfying crunch for our filling. While the squash is resting, while we wait, let us prep the rest of our harvest. Take 1 large peeled heirloom carrot. Take your time enjoying the rhythm of the knife. And finally dice it into tiny pieces. Carrots bring a natural sweet warmth to the dish. It is packed with brilliant beta-carotene. This vital nutrient nourishes as deeply. They are rich in beta-carotene, a brilliant boost for your vision, which supports eye health. Especially important if we spend time looking at screens. The extra fiber also keeps our energy stable and gifts us with trace elements and builds a strong immune system, a true medicine from the earth for all ages. Next, we have some nutrient-dense wood ear mushrooms. These beautiful earthy fungi. I rinsed these thoroughly earlier. Slice them into very thin strips. Mince them into delicate ribbons. If using dried mushrooms, soak them first. But fresh ones save us a little time today. These mushrooms act as a natural cleanser for the body. Packed with complex carbohydrates, plant-based iron and trace minerals. They sweep away toxins naturally. They promote healthy circulation and bring balance to our daily diet, adding a joyful crispness. Plus, they add an amazing earthy crunch, making this meal completely wholesome. Crack to farm fresh eggs into a glass bowl. Whisk gently until it turns a pale sunshine yellow. Eggs provide such clean, high-quality protein, full of healthy fats, amino acids, and brain-boosting nutrients. They bind everything beautifully, giving you vitality for the day. Whether we are baking or making savory fillings, they are a true staple in any farmhouse kitchen. Whisk until the yolks and whites are perfectly blended, and set the bowl aside. After resting for 5 minutes, by now our squash has released its water. Please do not rinse the salted squash. We want to keep all those water-soluble vitamins. Rinsing would just make the filling soggy again. Simply squeeze it firmly with your clean hands. Transfer the squeezed squash to your board. Give it a rough chop on the board. We want rustic, uneven pieces for texture. Place the chopped squash on a plate. Now let us bring all these beautiful colors to the stove. This technique is the secret to a dry, flavorful filling. Add a splash of olive oil to a warm pan. Pour the sunny yellow eggs into the warm pan. Keep the heat gentle and low. Swirl gently with your chopsticks. Cook until the curds are soft and bright. Scramble the eggs until just set and remove them immediately. No need to wash the skillet. Using that same seasoned oil, toss in your bright diced carrots. Sauté slowly to coax out their sweetness. Watch the oil turn a lovely shade of orange until your kitchen smells amazing. This unlocks all the healing benefits. Cooking carrots in a little fat so your body can absorb all of its healing properties. Now fold in the wood ear mushrooms. Toss for about 15 seconds. Let the forest aroma fill the air. They will become tender yet snappy. Finally, add our squeezed summer squash. Add everything into your warm skillet. Turn the heat up just a bit to evaporate any lingering moisture. Blending all these wholesome garden flavors together. This guarantees your dumpling wrappers will not break. Once everything is warm and fragrant, turn off the heat. Let the mixture cool down completely in a bowl. When the filling reaches room temperature, return the fluffy eggs to the skillet. We will keep the seasoning very simple to let the natural taste of the vegetables shine through. A pinch of sea salt. 1 teaspoon of mushroom bouillon, a light dusting of black pepper, a drop of umami sauce. Use a wooden spoon to mix it thoroughly. ensuring the spices coat every single bite. Garnish with a handful of fresh green onions. Gently combine the colors. And our vibrant plant-based filling is ready. You can use this for steamed dumplings, pan-fried pot stickers, or even baked buns. I am using these square wrappers left over from yesterday. Round dumpling wrappers work just perfectly too. Whatever you have in your pantry. It tastes incredible either way. A true comfort food. We love reducing food waste here. Lay your wrapper flat on a wooden board. Trace the edges with a damp finger. Moisten the edges with a little water. Place a generous spoonful of filling in the center. Do not be shy with the filling. Fold the wrapper in half gently. Pinch the edges together until sealed tight. Create a little mound in the center, making sure they are nice and plump. A perfect little parcel. That makes them so comforting to eat. Continue wrapping until you have a tray full of little treasures. My dear friends, your support means the world to me. I share these simple healing recipes to bring joy to your table. If you felt inspired by today's harvest, if you found peace in this recipe, please hit that like button to support the garden. And share this cozy video with someone who loves wholesome food. Arrange the dumplings in a bamboo steamer basket. Give them room to breathe and expand, leaving a little space so they do not stick. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil. Let the steam rise before placing them on top. Place the basket on top and steam for 8 minutes. Timing is everything for the perfect texture. Remove them from the heat immediately. Take them off the heat right away. Or the wrappers will lose their beautiful chew. These garden dumplings come out translucent and firm, with a filling that is sweet, savory, and crisp. The freshness of the vegetables paired with the rich egg makes every bite feel like a warm hug. They are entirely guilt-free, celebrating the raw beauty of our garden. So nourishing for your soul and gentle on digestion. Enjoy them with your morning tea. It is a mindful way to start the day. A dish that brings people together. The process is slow but incredibly rewarding. And there you have a beautiful plate of rustic veggie dumplings. made with simple, humble ingredients, yet so completely fulfilling. The squash hydrates you. The mushrooms support your wellness. And the eggs give you lasting energy. 4 pure elements of nature in one perfect bite. If this farm-to-table recipe brought you peace, please save it for your next quiet weekend. I am so glad you joined me. Sharing these wholesome meals is my favorite part of the day. I will see you in the next video. Wishing you a day full of light and happiness. Let the sun warm your face today.